Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 3, where we will be discussing communication and wellness. This week, we're going to be talking about how communication is a practice skill that is required of all professionals in all fields. And we're also going to be talking about physical, social, mental, and emotional wellness and the role that it plays in each of our lives. And we're going to be discussing the concept of self-care, as well as digging into some stress management techniques. So we only have 2 assignments this week. There is no journal in units 3, 4, or 5. So you will not have a journal this week, but you will have a discussion board due on Wednesday. And there are 3 separate questions asked on the discussion board for this week. So please make sure in your reply that you cover all 3 questions. One of these questions deals with a miscommunication that you've experienced in your life. And I want you to be specific in your example of the miscommunication. Please share a specific example of something that happened to you instead of something general or vague. And then you're also going to have the interactive exercises that are due on Sunday, as well as your 2 replies to peers on the discussion board due by Sunday. And I wanted to address the peer replies really quickly. I'm noticing as I read through the discussion board posts, a lot of peer replies that are very brief, such as, I agree with your post, or I liked your post, I think it was really amazing, I'm going to do this too. While that's good, and I'm glad that you're agreeing with your peers and finding common ground, the discussion board is our place where we kind of show our content knowledge that we've learned throughout the week. So I want you to be getting into some discussion, sharing some relevant experiences, asking questions of your peers, sparking a little debate. Each peer reply should be 3 to 5 sentences long. So please aim for that as you respond to your peers this week. A couple of other reminders. Please complete the reading each week from your textbook under the readings and resources link. It's very important before you respond on the discussion board that you have completed your reading for this week, that you have some sort of background knowledge. And then you also are going to want to make sure that you watch the Covey video for the week under the readings and resources link. The Covey habit for this week is seek first to understand, then be understood. So those are our assignments for this week. And if you are missing anything from a previous unit, please know that I always accept late work. You can turn it in at any time. You may lose points for timely participation, but I will always accept late work. So if you're missing anything from unit 1 or 2, please let me know and we'll make a plan to get you caught up and you can just go back on and complete it. And then your grading for unit 2 will be completed by Wednesday at midnight. That's when my grading is due. If you have any questions or if I can be assistance to you in any way, please email me, text me, call me, and let's make it a fantastic week.